pinakamalakas na mandirigma ng bansang Cuba, ay biglang natakot sa Pinoy sa kanilang mismong laban. Guillermo Regondo, isa sa pinakamagaling na mandirigma ng bansang Cuba. Kung boxing lang ang pag-uusapan, ito ay isang 2-division world champion na nagtala ng pinakamagandang amateur records sa kasaysayan ng amateur boxing. At halos lahat na ata ng gintong medalya sa bantamweight division ay hinakot na ng mokong na ito. At sa palayaw pa lang nito na El Chacol ay masisinda ka talaga. Ika-13 ng Abril sa taong 2013, lumaban ang mukong na to kay Nonito Donaire, na kasalukuyang hari sa divisyon ng super bantamweight sa isang unification bout ng WBO at WBA. Bumagsak man itong si Regondo sa laban nila ni Donaire, pero nakaligtas pa rin ito at pinanalo ang laban sa isang unanimous decision. Ika-4 ng Agosto sa taong 2021 nang lumaban na naman ito sa isang Pinoy. Ito ay para sa titulo ng WBO bantamweight ni General Casimiro, na inakala ni Regondo na magiging easy fight lang ang laban. Pero sa hindi inaasahan ay biglang naduwag itong si Guillermo Regondo, na parang ayaw masaktan ng kaharap na si General Casimiro.
That Regondo is going to be taking out round 1 against Solis, brawling on the inside. Now you got to be careful because you know Regondo
fight with trainer Ronnie Shields.
Yeah, that's for sure. Ronnie's with
right hand there by Casimiro. And Regondo's hand is down.
They're not down.
Oh, Casimiro again on the attack. Regondo trying to hand his career. Good start by the belt holder. Casimiro just passed against Luis Lazarte for punching to the back of the head. Yeah, this is round number 2. And Casimiro can...
Yeah, look at that pressure that Casimiro's giving, coming in.
And Casimiro, right uppercut. Oh, there's a...
He's emboldened here.
Right now, time will tell. And boom!
Look at the tempo now. Casimiro being more...
The second. Count.
This is more... Look at the tempo right now. It's really calm. It's with the outside. He's just waiting for the right time.
Oh, beautiful.
First round and then...
And it was Casimiro who told Regondo at home. The belt holder, he in fact has won titles in 2019.
And you know, Zolani Tete is kind of Regondo.
The 4th Filipino fighter to win titles in 3 weight classes. Interesting for Casimiro is that he's carried his punching power with him. He's the 40-year-old.
No, the former Regondo. This is the pressuring. Go for the body, don't go for the head. Much Regondo can punch from this posture. And Casimiro is the one putting the pressure. Even Judge, I think they'll give him a round. At all. He is not cutting off the ring at all. It's not as easy as it looks. Pan Am Games, I was 17 years old. Yeah. But I mean, same thing, same scenario. And it's three rounds. So Casimiro has 12 rounds.
This nature with all of that running.
This is tough. And you know, he's only thrown 61. Watch Casimiro. You gotta wait for the right time to let go of the...
To the body, as you've mentioned as well. The body will be one way if you can tag him, Abner, to slow him down.
They both throw that body shot at this hook, but it's gotta come with the...
Lead left here in the 4th. Casimiro close the distance without being countered by one of the best counterpunchers.
Reasons, you know, you want to keep him busy, keep that hand...
Always gets right to the point, Allen.
Wait, we'll probably see him in there punch more early in the round.
Yeah, I think even if, you know, you worked on something and it wasn't center of the ring, throw more punches.
And, you know, a couple of those rounds, the left hand's nice right by.
Abner is someone who is their job of in terms of trying to cut off the...
Do not just follow Regondo. You got to close the ring. Do let go of the right hand. I said if my lead hand touches his...
And get that punch limbered. Unlimbered.
There it is.
And for Regondo, you know,
there's an uppercut and another right hand.
So, you know, it's going to be just tough for that.
There's a... if Casimiro is like, hey, could we get the...
He did ask for that. He told Rigondeaux, hey, make sure you...
Well, Rigondeaux again with the left arrows, and the pressure has abated a bit as well, although now going to the...
Watch your feet, watch your feet.
Has talked about his influences.
Well defensively, but offensively also. They'll come back
Been active in this fight. As that like there were moments.
if he was defensive, you know, counter punches just like that. 1-2. Okay, I'll be happy with that. But if he just made,
This is a stationary Rigondeaux, and it's up to.
I like to see the Casimiro that we saw in the.
Nearing the midway point of this 18-pound belt holder.
Casimiro's only thrown to Rigondeaux, but even when Rigondeaux was stationary, Casimiro wasn't around.
There's a counter left by... In the silver with orange.
Then I think that we should give him more credit than he deserves because he's the aggressor.
Raising his hands very much, and that cannot just allow
Rigondeaux, so he hasn't been, and there's Casimiro kind of telling Rigondeaux, come on, let's fight. That we've had almost 7 rounds of movements from Rigondeaux. He seems capable of doing it, which is
that he wants.
Yeah, exactly.
Not
overthink.
and I said this, you know,
Getting frustrated.
I mean, he's reacting even to feints
Yes.
by Rigondeaux.
Well, the weather, a lot hot, 70 degrees.
happened. Yes, sir. And I was about to. To let him Rigondeaux leave. Okay, you
News here for a record pass round 7.
Round from the 10th to the 12th round. So
Steve Farhood has a row after 7.
I think Rigondeaux has been able to fight. Oh, there's this urged him strongly to use. And now there's that double left hook from
Give us your assessment of what you're seeing and educate us. Oh, there's
Rigondeaux is fighting his fight, period. You know, which is use the entire ring. Wait for Casimiro is going to touch.
And there's one that did touch the left and the right. Casimiro attempting to put pressure.
And that's how you tire her out. For Rigondeaux.
stairs, but again, the left hand has been used this amount of the fight. And when he does stand stationary, 35 punches thrown. Rigondeaux, how do you choose what you think? There's nice gets in, but how do you choose? But Rigondeaux's thrown so few punches.
His hands are in his pockets. He's viewing experience to say the least.
Yeah.
And here Casimiro's left hand by Rigondeaux, and here we've seen an exchange.
Say I'm not hating on more, throw more. I mean, I think
To the current belt holder.
Yeah, and there was an uptick for Rigondeaux, but he won't stand there and try. Look at this fight. One of the things, it would help him a little bit more if he would use it, but he's been able to do it.
And now Casimiro tries. And it's the only punch that lands in the
of course he did.
Oh, nice left hand.
Doing a great training. It's frustrating for a coach.
And
The most frustrating thing is that Casimiro is right there.
Exactly.
That he just does not let go.
nice left hook.
Casimiro is way inside.
No,
And my goodness.
So you don't look for it and say, oh, gee, that's going to help.
Ultimate round. I mean, Rigondeaux's lost. Casimiro defending it.
One hand, the amount of combinations. And
On his shield has to say, we like to.
now has landed 2 or 3 good counter punches in this round. Steve Farhood aptly pointed out sometimes 1 or 2 punches
In the fight out for Casimiro.
for less than punches. So, you know, there's not a lot going on. Might see some boxing from Rigondeaux. I didn't expect to see it.
And Casimiro on a, like here, as Abner, you. To the 3 judges who leaves Dignity, a 118-pound champion.
And still champion John Rio.